welcome back to my channel. It's your girl TJ. It's your girl TJ. It's your girl TJ. I'm back with another video for you guys. Today's video, I'm gonna be installing this bomb.com unit. Okay, now I was super nervous to be installing it because like I don't do the browns and the blondes. I really don't. It's just different, especially the length, y'all. I was really scared of the length because I think this is 10 to 12 inches. Not 100% sure. I'll have the exact details on the screen or in the description section below, but this is mad short. Like, I don't be doing stuff like this, so it was definitely out of my comfort zone. I feel like I pulled it off, however, okay? So yeah, let's get right into it because I'm rambling. So yeah, we're gonna get right into the video. If you guys are new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on your notifications. Follow me on my other socials, and yeah, we're just gonna get right into today's video.
Alright guys, so this is what the unit looks like. This is their 10-inch straight bob wig. This is a 13 by 4 lace frontal, and it comes with a part. As you guys can see, the density on this unit is 150%, and this is the overall view of what the wig's looking like from the inside. Alright guys, so I am putting this on for the very first time, and as you guys can see, this is what it looks like straight out the box, untouched, unaltered. Okay, this unit was giving me a lot of body, okay. I had a lot of body straight out the box, so yeah, I did want to include the overall view. So now I'm gonna get ready to cut the excess lace off just using a pair of scissors. Now I did actually have two different clips. This clip that you guys are seeing here is from the very first day that I installed it. As you guys can see, when I was doing my talking in the intro, that's a different day. So I installed it twice, but I just wanted you guys to see what it will look like straight out of the package, so I just thought it would be useful to include both clips. So I'm just gonna go ahead and secure it down using my famous Got2b glue spray. I'm on the hunt for new hairspray, so be on the lookout for new products throughout 2021. So yeah, we're gonna let that get tacky, and then we're gonna go ahead and secure it down. Make sure you do have your dryer on a cool heating setting. If you are OGs, you already know all that good stuff, but if you are new to the channel, you probably have no clue what's going on. So I'm just securing it using a hairspray. It's not glue, even though it says Got2b glue, but it's not. It's a hairspray. So that is what I'm using to secure my unit all the way around. Alright, so now I'm taking some bed head. This is my wax stick, okay? I love to I love to hot comb my units using my wax sticks. I feel like it really helps have everything nice, neat, and laid. So I do opt into using that product. Also, all the products I use will be listed down in the description section below. I'm also using a heat protectant spray, but be careful. Like, I went right in directly after I sprayed it and used my hot comb. That's why you guys seen like a little bit of smoke. It's not the unit at all, y'all. It's just me going in without letting the product dry. Okay, so we're just gonna go ahead and hot comb it. I haven't plucked it in this clip or anything. This is just how the unit comes straight out of the package. Now, after I secured everything down, I went ahead and, tied the frontal portion down using, I forgot what these things, elastic bands, I think that's what it's called. And I just tied it around, and I'm just going to flat iron my hair all the way through. Nothing hard at all. I'm just using my Babyliss Pro flat iron, and I think I have it on the number 35, and yeah. Alright guys, so this is my second install, and this is the clip here when I started a second time. I just was giving you guys a little bit of, you know, of a clip of how I did my baby hairs for this install. I did go ahead and wash, condition, and pre-pluck this unit as well for the second install. I didn't do anything to the first one besides add baby hairs, but the first install is how you're gonna get it, but this is what the unit looks like customized. So overall, I enjoyed working with this unit. Like I said, the color was new to me. I did a unit like this before, but the browns and the honey blinds and the blinds, it's just not me. I just don't, you know, mess around with it, but I still feel like it came out very, very cute. You know, I pulled it off, finessed it. So yeah, as far as shedding, I got a little bit of shedding during washing process. I didn't receive tangles at all, both installs, no tangles whatsoever. I noticed when you get a shorter length of hair, a tangling is just non-existing. Anyway, that's just my opinion. The hair, when I first received the hair, it came out the box straight, silky, soft, and had a lot of body, okay? So yeah, I really don't have anything negative to say about this unit. This is for my girls out there who like short hair units. I definitely would recommend, okay? So this is what it looks like when I finish flat ironing it. I think it came out amazing. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. All information will be down in the description section below. And until next time, you go. See you later. Bye, guys.